Morning everyone, this is Eli with Just Add Water, here with Brady today, and as you can see we are back in the sandbox. Today we're gonna go for something a little funkier than we usually do. We're gonna challenge ourselves. To you guys right now it looks like a bunch of paint in the dirt, but to us this is our game plan. We have one waterfall here, another waterfall here that we're gonna try and do. Then we're gonna try and get a pinch off of our shoulder to kind of run through these rocks. And then up here at the same level as our pinch, we're gonna try and get another waterfall out of the box. So it kind of splits the water down both these falls, pooling section and around this area, and then it all comes together over our final fall. If we can pull this off, it's gonna look pretty sweet. What do you think? We can do it?
No.
All right. As you can see, we got a couple rocks in the liner now. Got ahead of ourselves, didn't film anything before we put our flop in. First waterfall's in, and our secondary pinch is in for the split up top. Now what we're working on is trying to get this waterfall in so that we still have room on this left side for our liner. We don't want to get too tight to where we cause a leak. And then we'll start monkeying with our last waterfall over there and connecting everything in. Alrighty, and we are back. Hopefully you can tell it looks a little different this time. A lot has been done since the last one. We have added in some stream rocks here, connected in our two waterfalls here. We have built our top waterfall. There's our split pinch there. Got it all foamed up. We got our last little bit of stream built. Now what we're doing is trying to get our liner situated on this right hand side so it doesn't just, after it comes out of the box, it won't just leak right over the side over there. Next what we have is a little bit of finish work. We're gonna install our spillway box up top there. We do have a old spillway box hole that we are gonna patch. It's not where we want our whole box, would be a little too far away from our waterfall here, so we're gonna patch that up, cut a new hole and install our box, run our plumbing line, dig our trench. Once that's all done and everything's backfilled, we'll turn it on, see how high our water is, and then we'll tuck it and make it look really pretty, just like Brady. All right, stream is gravelled. As you can see, I'm walking on gravel. Box is in, cap is on the block, so it's a little easier to build on. Makes everything flat, makes everything nice, makes everything good. Brady is now building around the box. He came into a little tricky spot here, but he seems like he got it under control. Other than that, we're gonna throw some more rocks in. Plumbing line is buried up to about there. That's where the pipe ran out, so we're gonna extend the pipe around there, hook in the pipe, turn it off. Alrighty, got everything rocked in. The dirt works up to high enough to where we can turn it on. Gonna turn it on, see what it does. All right, everyone, that wraps up our pondless build in the sandbox today. Really enjoyed how this one came out. Our main plan for this one was to get funky with it, kind of do something we don't usually do, which I think turned out great. We got our bonus fall off to the right, but we also got our stream off to the left. We got all of our waterfalls really just aimed and angled where we wanted for our viewing. But then we also got our little pinch for our bonus. Everything comes down and meets in the middle there and then goes over our final waterfall into the basin, which I really enjoyed. After the fact, we got it all lit up, which I think just ties everything together. Looks awesome. We get to turn the lights off in the shop and really light it up the way we want it to, which gives us a little practice with our light angles as well. Let us know what you guys think about this one. What's your favorite part? What do you want to see next from us? Other than that, hit the like icon, subscribe, and be ready for our next video.